My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Volvo XC90. This vehicle has done just under 44,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the first page of our home screen, we have our applications. This includes our download center, Apple CarPlay, driver performance, and our vehicle status. On the second page, we have our key features, which include navigation, radio, smartphone integration, and again, our vehicle status. If we click here, we can access our climate control with heated seats on either side. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. We have 4 different driving modes to choose from: Eco for efficient drive, Comfort for everyday use, Off-road for rough road, and Dynamic for high performance. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see we have 7 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.